Lots of stuff is coming out of there, so that's good. If you're an air fryer user, I have some tips to get it clean. Now, the basket is the easy part. What is a little bit more difficult is the interior, especially the coils at the top. So here are the tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need a sponge, a soft sponge. You wanna avoid anything abrasive, especially on those heating coils, and a cleaning brush, a soft bristle toothbrush that you use just for cleaning, or a soft dish brush you can use. Just make sure it's gentle. The best friend for an air fryer is usually power wash. So just have some hot water, some power wash. Make sure you're not getting a lot of excess water and liquid. The thing with air fryers, many of them you can clean upside down. Check your manual, check instructions, but a common way to clean your air fryers, especially the top where it's harder to get to, is just to flip it upside down. And I usually wipe down with a rag, just so we're not getting too much extra liquid in there. For a little bit more precision, you can use that brush. It usually makes getting into the grooves a little bit easier. If there's anything stuck on the actual heating elements itself, be sure to be gentle on those. Now, many air fryers like this, the top is usually neglected and gets a lot of caked on grease and gunk and grime. And over time, that causes bad odors, bad smells, bad taste in your food. The biggest part about maintenance for your air fryer to keep it working perfectly is gonna be getting it clean after every use. Just making sure you wipe anything gunky and greasy out. If you use your air fryer often, it might be good to do a deep clean every few months just to make sure there's nothing hidden stuck in there and you can focus on any trouble areas. This little brush is working wonders. Just gonna have to work section by section. Just make sure with a clean, damp rag, you can rinse this out a couple times. You're just not leaving behind any water, any residue. I'm gonna be real gentle. The basket's easy. You can spray it with some power wash, rinse it out, and many of your dishwashers safe. Be real extra careful. Give it another wipe down. You should be back in business. We live to air fry another day. And don't forget to just wipe down the outside. When it comes to pots and pans and any cooking appliance, the more care you give to cleaning it, the longer it'll last you and the better it will perform over time. Lots of stuff is coming out of there, so that's good. Another cleaning trick you can try is you need a heat-proof dish, an oven-safe dish. Pour a little vinegar in there, and then you can run the machine with that dish of vinegar in there for about 10 minutes on high. That will help loosen up a lot of gunk too. It'll steam in there and the vinegar will help you be able to wipe things out a little more easy. My favorite. Vinegar can't live without you. You can make a power paste with some baking soda and some hydrogen peroxide. Mix those together and use your brush to apply it. It's a great way to clean some tough to get spots as well. Gently invert. I like to just apply it to the top so I'm not getting too much down into the coils. So you're gonna need to wash this out with a clean rag several times to just make sure to get all that residue. It's like brushing your teeth, getting the stains out of your teeth. I already see it coming up. But this paste, if you let it sit for a few minutes, can help cut through that grease so you can wipe it out a little bit more easy. Oh, this stuff is working. Just make sure to control any of the drippage. It's a delicate operation, but it has to be done. Okay, I'm gonna let that hang out for a minute or two. Take that rag, just wipe away. Ooh, I'm starting to see some silver emerge. Okay. Make sure things are thoroughly wiped down. Once everything is cleaned out, you do wanna run it with a clean basket. That'll help dislodge any of the gunk you removed so that doesn't fall into your food when you're cooking the next time. Clean that basket again, give it another wipe down. Should be good to go. That's why we take care of our air fryers, so that they'll treat us well and work for us every day. Look at this mommy, just floating in her suds. Those sponges bring me so much joy.